These two are just like, dude, hey, Dad, Richard. Get away. Oh, don't go after. He says, don't start with me. I just you up. Oh, Bertie over here. Ella. Ella, Mac, it's her brother. That's what she said. Don't take my stick. It's Albertson. I know, yeah. It's Kong. It's Major Leagues. Yeah. These guys. You guys top? I'm like, Dad, where's Snipe? Look at this. Look how cute I am, man. Look how cute. Stop biting me. Chill out. Ah. These guys. Alright, you bite my leg and I'll bite your leg. Let's do that. Ella and Kong's chilling. He's like, nah, I'm not with the shenanigans. She's like, don't land on me. I don't do that. Little L. You obviously, if you don't know who she's from, and why her name is Ella, because she's, you know, her mom is Estella. She's Ella. All right. Let's get some